You're probably going to see a lot of books that are lavender color. One of my friends hosted a Lavender Festival and she asked me to attend. Here's a result of one of the books that I made for it. There's lots of gems here. I love to use ribbon as a ties and stuff. And on this particular one, this is actually napkins on the cover. My sister always sends me some stuff that she no longer uses because she's the one that taught me how to make altered books. And we send back and forth stuff that we like to share. So on this, you can see some ribbon in the back. I added some little flowers here, some butterflies. And then that's just the inside. Here's a little mini journal. One of my clients bought a book and she likes a lot of writing pages, so I'm starting to incorporate more writing pages. So here's different places to write in. This says don't forget. That way you can just pull it out. And then this one right here says make it happen, and that one says keep it real. And then right up here, who, what, where, when, and why. Who, what, when, and why. And these pages actually came from a text of a book that I took apart, and I just painted the pages, and now I'm using them as the foundation. And then here's just a to-do list. Here's a really cute little angel that I got from a book class that I took, and that was just extra scrap paper that the host let us take home if we wanted. Then I added this right here, little bird. It says little things that I love. You know me with my little mini folders here. And I put some brads there. It said remember, places to write some stuff down. Precious moment. Oh, and this right here is actually canvas. And I put some little brads on there, cut it out. Add a photo. Here's another place to write. Added some ribbon in the back. Just fun things. Okay, here's another place to pull out. Sometimes I just don't know because I add so many different mini folders that I forget what I have. So there's some writing pages. Make sure I didn't miss a page. This one obviously you can see a lot of butterflies on it. It says note to self. And here's a greeting card actually, or a thank you card. And I just took it out and made it a mini folder. Places to write. Is this another one? Yeah, this is another card. And then I just cut the pages there. This is a stamp. I kind of put it on different. This is right here is some ribbon. I love using ribbon. Just gives it some class and creativity. Here's a little pull out. Another butterfly. Oh, it's a couple of them. So like I said, sometimes I put so many even I forget what I put in there. More writing pages. Places to have photo, write some memories down. This, okay, I hope you don't laugh at that, but this is actually a dryer sheet. I just love the way it feels. It gives it that texture, and then I added some flowers here. I used a stamp and colored them in. It just feels really cool, so now I think I'm going to start using that as a layering piece of swag that I use in my books. This is a part of a napkin. And this is some edging. Here's another piece of a napkin. I love to use napkins. I just love the way it feels. Place to write. Here's another thank you card. I like to add those in because it gives you a great opportunity for a folder. Just fun things. Just a lot of things. Memories, itinerary, magic, remember. Just a lot of places to write memories. I just like that. It says don't forget, to do, to do, to do. So a little to-do list. Here's another mini folder. There's some edging over here. Places, that's actually a stamp. I love stamps. I'm starting to use them more and more. More layering. And that's it. Oh, right here. Some more little mini folders to add some photos. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. You have a great day.